So, hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an multi-shopping app. So now, let's get started. Now here we can see our app. This is the multi-shopping app. We have made it this an a mighty app inventor. Okay, and I will give you the AI file link in the description. In the description box, and this is the AI file. You will have to click on the description box link, and then you have to click on download, and then you can import it. Okay, so here just go import project and just choose the file which. Okay, that. So here you can see it actually works. Then what is the main use of it? Let me tell you. The main use of it's very simple. See, you know that if you okay. So here it is Amazon, okay. And if you want to buy something, okay, Amazon, okay. So here we have cut, and let's add for laptop, okay. So here I have been added a laptop. Okay, so if I don't like this laptop, it's will cost all I did, but if you don't like, you will see the another website like Flipkart. Yeah, right? Yeah, and that only you have to search that the time goes off, right? I will say one more time that laptop only laptop. Okay, one more time said that laptop. Search it, and if I don't like, I will also give to the another website. Okay, and Mintra is also website. I will go for that, and there also I will search it. Okay, but that's a very long process. It gets more data available. Once it gets more data, I mean to load another website to search one more time. But our app is very simple. If you whatever you write in this text box, it will search at the Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, and Meesho. Okay, you can add your own online shopping website too. I will show you that too. So here you can see, okay, and if you search this here anything watch and click on Amazon, here in the web viewer it will come the Amazon whatever you have searched. And then if you don't want, you don't like it, you can click on Flipkart button, and here you will see eBay. And this is an horizontal scroll arrangement. In the design screen you will not able to see, but in the testing screen you will able to scroll it. Okay, so here let me show you the blocks of this. So here we can see this is the block scoring. Whenever we button one click means the Amazon button will click, it will go to the web URL, and it will send the this URL, that's Amazon's official URL. So and then it will add whatever what should it search. It will search on the text box was text. That only have been repeated. So now let me tell you how to add your own button. So what you have to do, just invisible some buttons. I'm invisible in Amazon and Flipkart. And here I will add the button. Then we'll go to background color and take a pink color, and for Mintra I will add, okay, Mintra, and just take a font size of your whatever you want to bold, text color white, or it's up to yours. Okay, so that, and let's go to blocks. So just what you do, just duplicate this blocks, any one of that, and just add the button 5 over there. And what is Mentra it is? So just go to the website which we search, and then search any product. Okay, I'm just searching for example. Okay, like I have seen laptop. So here you can see whatever you have searched, whatever text is on the URL bar before. See, this is I have searched laptop, and it has come whatever it has come before your search, just copy it. Alright? Copy and just come to the mighty app Inventor and place it in the text, and that's all done. App will be done, and you can export it, and I have given the AI file to free. If you want to learn how to import any AI file, you can check out, you can comment down. I will make a sure a video on that. And please click on the subscribe button and please click on the like button. Bye.